Hey everyone, welcome back to another Bald Girl tutorial, Bald Girl makeup tutorial, and I'm going to be doing another Bye Bye Birdie ColourPop makeup palette tutorial because I'm in a birdie, Bye Bye Birdie kind of mood. So we're going to go in with some concealer on the lid, which I always do. And sorry, it was kind of difficult editing this one because this was originally a TikTok video and I did like a voiceover kind of thing, like what you do on TikTok. And so it was kind of hard to clip those parts out when I was editing this for YouTube. But anyway, so we're going to go in with the concealer on the lid and then we're going to basically do the same thing we did in our previous video. So we're going to take that lighter pink color and we're going to use that as a transitional color on our lid, and then we're just going to start building up. So we're going to go in with the pinks and the purples from the ColourPop palette, and so we're going to take a pink color and put that on the upper part of the lid. We're going to take a little bit of that purple color and go on the upper part of the lid. These are matte colors, which means they are not the ones that have shimmer in it. We're going to take that dark brown with a purple undertone color that's in that palette, and we're going to pump that into the corner of the lid. This is usually where I put the black color when I do my makeup tutorials, but today we're going to do it this way. And we're going to take that same shimmer purple color that we used in the Color Wash Bye Bye Birdie ColourPop palette tutorial, which was my previous video. We're going to take that same shimmer color with our finger and we're going to put that on that lid. Then we're going to go through and do all the things that we always do. I'm going to make this one quick because I'm sure it gets repetitive and annoying, but I wanted to post this video consecutively with the one before because I wanted to show you guys how the same palette can give you a color wash look if that's what you want, or it can give you a really nice popping eyeshadow look. And this isn't even the full effect of how beautiful this palette is. I mean, this palette is stunning. I have an entire playlist showing you that. So just want to quickly go through and say I'm going to do my eyeliner, I'm going to do my tinted moisturizer and replace the foundation. My concealer, I'm going to set that underneath the eyes. I'm going to go in with my bronzer and my blush, and then I'm going to remove that stuff underneath my eyes. That's the RMCA setting powder. I use the Kathleen Lights Retrograde ColourPop blush. I use an e.l.f. bronzer. And yeah, and then I'm going to go in with some mascara. I'm going to curl those lashes first, go in with mascara, and then I'm going to pop some fake lashes on. And that's basically that. I hope you guys like this video. I hope these videos are fun for you guys, and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I'm currently just kind of going through a rotation of older makeup tutorials that I never edited, but I'm nearing the end and I'd love to have some new content for you guys. So let me know in the comments below, if you don't mind, what kind of content you guys want to see. If you guys want more of informational videos or more tutorials or more just speaking about products in general, or something completely off. I don't know. Do you guys want to hear more about my washing machine? That seems to be a really popular video. So let me know what you guys want to see, hair videos, whatever it is. And I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.